CompTIA Security Plus SY0-701, Full Course. Question 1. Which of the following terms describes a document signed by an employee agreeing not to disclose proprietary corporate information to outside entities? Option A, AUP, Acceptable Use Policy. Option B, NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement. Option C, SLA, Service Level Agreement. Option D, MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. The correct answer is option B. NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement. A non-disclosure agreement is a legal document in which a party agrees not to disclose confidential or proprietary information. An AUP governs acceptable system use, and an SLA defines service performance commitments. The disclosure restriction makes NDA correct. Question 2. Which of the following identity verification methods analyzes unique physical characteristics such as retina patterns or fingerprints? Option A, biometrics. Option B, smart cards. Option C, certificates. Option D, passphrase. The correct answer is option A. Biometrics. Biometrics authenticate or identify users using physical or behavioral characteristics such as fingerprints, iris patterns, or retina patterns. Smart cards and certificates are possession-based or cryptographic credentials. Unique physical traits are biometric identifiers. Question 3. An organization wants to securely manage mobile devices by enforcing password policies, remote wiping capabilities, and application restrictions from a central console. What technology is required? Option A, MAM, Mobile Application Management. Option B, MDM, Mobile Device Management. Option C, EDR, Endpoint Detection and Response. Option D, CASB, Cloud Access Security Broker. The correct answer is option B. MDM, Mobile Device Management. Mobile device management centrally enforces device policies such as passwords, remote wipe, and application restrictions. MAM focuses more narrowly on applications, while EDR detects endpoint threats. Managing full mobile device security from a console is MDM. Question 4. A security analyst detects that a server is sending large amounts of data to an external IP address outside of normal business hours. What type of activity does this represent? Option A, data exfiltration. Option B, data sanitization. Option C, data masking. Option D, data retention. The correct answer is option A. Data exfiltration. Data exfiltration is the unauthorized transfer of data from an internal system to an external destination. Data masking and sanitization protect or remove sensitive data, while retention governs how long data is kept. Large outbound transfers outside normal hours are a common exfiltration indicator. Question 5. Which of the following mobile device deployment models allows employees to use their personal smartphones to access corporate email and networks, provided they install corporate security software? Option A, COBO, corporate owned, business only. Option B, COBE, corporate owned, personally enabled. Option C, BYOD, bring your own device. Option D, CYOD, choose your own device. The correct answer is option C. BYOD, bring your own device. Bring your own device allows employees to use personally owned devices for work access under corporate security requirements. COBO and COPE involve corporate-owned devices, while CYOD lets employees choose from approved company devices. Personal smartphones with corporate controls are BYOD. Question 6. A security audit reveals that a legacy application transmits user credentials across the local network in plain text. Which of the following protocols is most likely being used? Option A, HTTPS. Option B, SSH. Option C, HTTP. Option D, SFTP. The correct answer is option C, HTTP. HTTP transmits web traffic in plain text unless protected by TLS through HTTPS. SSH, HTTPS, and SFTP are encrypted protocols. Plain text credential transmission over a web connection most commonly indicates HTTP. Question 7. Which of the following authentication protocols is standard for single sign-on, SSO, web-based applications and uses XML-based tokens? Option A Radius. Option B SAML. Option C Kerberos. Option D OAuth. The correct answer is option B. SAML. SAML is a common web SSO standard that uses XML-based assertions to pass identity and authorization information. OAuth delegates authorization, while Radius and Kerberos serve different authentication use cases. XML tokens are the key clue for SAML. Question 8. Which of the following cryptographic algorithms is a symmetric block cipher that supports key sizes of 128, 192, and 256 bits and is the U.S. government standard? Option A DA. Option B 3DA. Option C AES. Option D RC4. The correct answer is option C. AES. AES is a symmetric block cipher supporting 128-, 192-, and 256-bit keys and is approved as a U.S. government standard. DA and 3DA are older and weaker, while RC4 is a stream cipher. The key sizes and standard status identify AES. Question 9. Which of the following testing methods involves evaluating an application's security posture by executing its code and analyzing its behavior during runtime? Option A Static Application Security Testing, SAST. Option B Dynamic Application Security Testing, DAST. Option C Code Review. Option D Architecture Review. The correct answer is option B. Dynamic Application Security Testing, DAST. Dynamic Application Security Testing evaluates an application while it is running and observes runtime behavior. SAST analyzes code without executing it. Runtime Security Testing identifies DAST. Question 10. Which of the following software testing techniques involves feeding random, malformed, or unexpected data inputs into an application to see if it crashes or leaks data? Option A Regression testing. Option B Fuzzing. Option C Unit testing. Option D Integration testing. The correct answer is option B. Fuzzing. Fuzzing sends random, malformed, or unexpected inputs to software to find crashes, leaks, and handling errors. Regression testing verifies existing functionality after changes. Unexpected input testing is fuzzing. Question 11. A security administrator wants to implement a control that blocks incoming emails from domains that fail SPF or DKIM checks. What technology is being used? Option A DMARC. Option B S/MIME. Option C IMAP. Option D PGP. The correct answer is option A. DMARC. DMARC builds on SPF and DKIM results to define how receiving mail servers should handle messages that fail authentication checks. S/MIME and PGP protect message confidentiality and integrity, not domain authentication policy enforcement. Blocking messages that fail SPF or DKIM aligns with DMARC. Question 12. Which of the following cryptographic concepts ensures that a sender cannot deny having sent a specific message? Option A Integrity. Option B Confidentiality. Option C Non-repudiation. Option D Availability. The correct answer is option C. Non-repudiation. Non-repudiation provides proof that a sender performed an action, usually through digital signatures and audit evidence. Integrity proves data was not altered, but it does not by itself prove who sent it. This concept prevents a sender from credibly denying the message later. Question 13. What type of malware modifies system files or the operating system kernel to hide its presence and maintain administrative access undetected? Option A, ransomware. Option B, rootkit. Option C, keylogger. Option D, logic bomb. The correct answer is option B, rootkit. A rootkit hides its presence by modifying system files, drivers, or kernel-level behavior while maintaining privileged access. Ransomware encrypts data for payment, and keyloggers record keystrokes. Kernel tampering and stealthy administrator-level persistence strongly indicate a rootkit. Question 14. Which of the following terms describes the risk that remains after an organization has implemented all planned security controls and mitigations? Option A, inherent risk. Option B, transferred risk. Option C, residual risk. Option D, accepted risk. The correct answer is option C, residual risk. Residual risk is the risk that remains after controls and mitigations have been implemented. Inherent risk exists before controls, and transferred risk is shifted to another party, such as through insurance. The remaining post-control exposure is residual risk. Question 15. Which of the following technologies allows a security team to centrally collect, aggregate, and analyze log data from firewalls, servers, and routers in real time? Option A, SOAR. Option B, SIEM. Option C, EDR. Option D, DLP. The correct answer is option B, SIEM. A SIEM collects, correlates, and analyzes logs from many systems in real time for monitoring and alerting. SOAR automates response workflows, while EDR focuses on endpoint telemetry. Centralized log aggregation from firewalls, servers, and routers is a SIEM function. Question 16. Which of the following physical security controls utilizes two doors where the first door must close completely before the second door can be opened? Option A, turnstile. Option B, man trap. Option C, guard post. Option D, revolving door. The correct answer is option B, man trap. A man trap uses two interlocking doors, so one door must close before the next opens, controlling entry to a secure area. A turnstile controls pedestrian flow but does not require a two-door sequence. The two-door containment design is a man trap. Question 17. A security analyst wants to intercept and analyze network traffic flowing through a specific network switch. Which of the following features should be configured on the switch? Option A, port mirroring. Option B, port security. Option C, VLAN trunking. Option D, quality of service, QoS. The correct answer is option A, port mirroring. Port mirroring copies traffic from one or more switch ports to a monitoring port for analysis. Port security limits which devices can connect, and VLAN trunking carries multiple VLANs over a link. To intercept and analyze switch traffic, port mirroring is the correct feature. Question 18. Which of the following commands can be used on a Linux system to verify network connectivity to a remote host by sending ICMP echo request packets? Option A, IP protocol configuration. Option B, traceroute. Option C, ping. Option D, dig. The correct answer is option C, ping. The ping command sends ICMP echo request packets to test basic network reachability. Traceroute maps the path to a host, and dig queries DNS records. ICMP echo connectivity testing is performed with ping. Question 19. A security team wants to deploy an inline device that not only detects malicious network traffic but actively drops the packets and resets the connection to prevent an attack. What type of system is this? Option A, IDS, intrusion detection system. Option B, IPS, intrusion prevention system. Option C, protocol analyzer. Option D, HoneyNet. The correct answer is option B, IPS, Intrusion prevention system. An intrusion prevention system operates inline and can actively block malicious traffic by dropping packets or resetting connections. An IDS detects and alerts but typically does not block traffic. Active prevention identifies an IPS. Question 20. A security analyst finds that an application is allowing users to input raw HTML tags into a comment field, which are then executed by other users' browsers. What type of vulnerability is this? Option A, cross-site scripting, XSS. Option B, cross-site request forgery, CSRF. Option C, SQL injection. Option D, buffer overflow. The correct answer is option A. Cross-site scripting, XSS. Cross-site scripting occurs when untrusted scripts or HTML are accepted by an application and executed in another user's browser. SQL injection targets database queries, while CSRF abuses a trusted user's session to submit unwanted actions. Executed browser-side input points directly to XSS.